Hey y'all, while visiting my daughter over the last couple of days when I was there, she had this really cool fan. It was small, portable, powerful. It had like 5 speeds to it. It could hang from your neck, and so excited. So I went online, found it on Amazon, and bought it, ordered it. The next day when I got home, which is today, it came in the mail. Amazon's so quick on delivering. This is what it is. It's this little fan. It comes with a manual. It comes with, of course, the charging cord. And then, oh my gosh, this is the cutest thing. Comes in different colors. Let me show you the speeds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Powerful. Let me show you. Very powerful. Oh, that's so cool. It also sets down. So you can set it on the table. You can hold it, or you can hang it from your neck and have it come up on you like this. It is just the cutest thing. So small little thing. It came fully charged, you know, so I don't really have to charge it up. It's got this nice strap that you can extend. Easy to apply. I absolutely love this fan. 5 stars. 10 stars if I could give it that. And I had another portable fan that I held. It didn't have a strap. It was bigger. The charge didn't last that long. My daughter said this lasts a really, really long time. It wasn't near as powerful. It only had like 3 speeds. So I held it up and compared it to this, and it didn't even compare. So this is a definite yes. Don't hesitate. Get it.
On the back, it runs just a slight bit, and then it just stops. And keep in mind, this is like fully charged, so I am not sure if I receive a lemon. I don't know what it is. This was fully charged also. Pretty much last night I removed it off the charger, and it's still, nothing is happening. You see? And mind you, it's like it's fully charged, as you can see by this. No matter what I do, the blade doesn't work anymore. So let's do it again. Yeah. I don't know. I really did like the fan. It really
for both sides that clips on, and a nice charger, Type-C wire.
Great fan. Super loud though.
Give him a call and just say, hey, I want to coordinate with you.
Probably the best portable fan
Invites for
as far as air
from them
goes, but
right?
way too loud.
Did you email the question?
That's one.
everybody's email and text. And be like, hey,
Two,
we'll look forward to meeting everyone in the ground.
three,
For events to do.
4, 5. No way could you take this into a quiet office meeting or a classroom. It would be too loud. It's actually drying here right now.
For us, protecting the people out there that are watching, just like protecting our spouses, just like protecting our own children. And once that warning is issued, normally in action behind the scenes, if you look at what it's doing, whether it is worse than the day. The day when people come to the weather is making sure people are safe and protected. Making sure the families are safe and protected.
This is Jack Country, where summer is at full